How to remove a repost on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And say for example that I wanted to repost this video and delete it after that. So let's just go ahead and repost it. Now you have two options. You can either delete the repost from this page right here. Say for example, you reposted by accident, or you just reposted and then scrolled, but now you want to delete that repost. You can just go back to that page and then just click on the share icon or share arrow that you clicked on previously, and from there click on remove repost. This is the first option. However, if you have reposted a video and you can't find it here in this page, maybe you close the app or you refresh the page just like this or anything like that, you can't find it, then simply just click on the profile icon at the bottom right. And once you're here, as you can see in this page right here, you'll see a lot of tabs: the videos, the saved videos, the liked videos. Just click on the two arrows, the repost arrow, and here you will find all of your reposts. And as you can see, this is the video that we have reposted, so just click on it, and again you can just remove the repost from here. As you can see, it says the repost has been removed. It's that easy and simple, and you will see that the video is gone from this page right here. So that was it for this video. That's how you can delete a repost on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.